W with M-R-M-I-K.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. Today we are going to draw a bear in a tutu. Look at the bear in a tutu. And we only need 4 basic lines and shapes to create this bear in a tutu. An arc, an oval, a line, and a U. Well, let's see how all this fits together. Now, there are many ways to draw a bear in a tutu. This is just one way to draw a bear in a tutu. I just like saying bear in a tutu because it's silly. Let's start off with an oval right about here. All right, that looks good. And then we're going to add another oval right here for the bear's nose. And you can color that in if you want. I'm going to color mine in. And then we're going to draw an arc right here for the smile. That's a smiley bear. And then we'll add 2 ovals. 1, 2. And then you can color those in. And now we have the bear's face, or what's starting to be the bear's face. Now we're going to add in arcs around this face, and we're going to make it look like a fuzzy bear. So we're not going to do an oval. We're going to go about this far out, so this will be the side of the face, and we're going to add an arc right here. And then I want you to have a line that comes down like this. And that'll be the fuzzy fur. Now watch, I'm going to start at that line and I'm going to make another arc come around like this. So it looks like a little tuft of hair is coming up, or fur, that little bit that's coming up like that. And we're going to do that again over here. So I'm going to continue this arc a little bit, and then I'm going to have a line come in like that. And then I'm going to turn my paper just a little bit to make this angle, this angle a little easier for me to draw. You can turn your paper if you want to. Sometimes I turn the paper to make it easier for me to draw. So I'm going to add an arc that's going to come all the way around to maybe here. Okay, so I'm going to put a little dot right there. And that's where I'm going to. So I'll start here. I'm going to add my arc. Go to that. Okay, next I'm going to turn my paper back. Okay, and now I'm going to add another dot here, and I'm going to have another arc come in to there. So now we can just have our line come in here, and our line come in here, and we have our fuzzy head. Yay, fuzzy head bear! Okay, next we're going to add in our ears, and we're going to use that U shape. Okay, so let's do that U shape for the ear. There's an ear here. And then we're going to do a U shape. It's an upside down U shape. We're going to do it again over here. So now we've got 2 ears. And we'll do that upside down U shape again for the inside of the ear. And then over here as well. If you need to pause this video, like bear pause this video at any point to catch up. Feel free to pause it, catch up, and then join back in with us. Next, we're going to add some more arcs because we're going to draw the body of the bear. 1 arc here, and then another arc here. And now we're going to make the outstretched arms. So we'll make a line going outward, and then we're going to use that U shape for the paw, and then another line back for the arm. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. A line up for the arm, the U shape for the paw, and then back down with a line to the body for the rest of the arm. Okay, and then we can take an oval to make the pad on the paw. And we'll pick an oval here, pad on the paw. Next, we're going to make another arc. It's going to go from here all the way down and around to here. And now we're going to draw the tutu. We're going to make a series of arcs that are going to be joined. We'll start here, right where the arm meets the body, and we'll go arc, we'll have another arc, and then another arc, and we're just making a series of these arcs to make it look like the tutu, all the way around, and then stop back at the body. Okay? Next, we're going to draw the legs. Now the legs, we can make a long U shape. Watch this. Ready? Just one big U shape, just like this. And then we'll make another one pointing down, and that's the leg that's touching the floor. Okay? And we can add, well actually maybe it's not touching the floor, because we can add an arc or a series of arcs to make it look like the floor is here with the shadow. So we can do an arc, very shallow arc, very wide arc, and then another one like this. Just a slight curve to that. Okay? And now, look at that. We have a bear that's in a tutu dancing. Now I'm going to add a thick black outline all the way around my drawing. And you do not have to do this if you don't want, but sometimes I like to add a thick black outline just to finish my drawing. And I do that by using the side of my marker. Okay? Or you could just, if you have a marker like this, you can just push down a little harder and it'll give you a thicker line. If you push lighter on your marker, it'll get a thinner line. Okay, but you see how I'm angling my marker down? Just to the side, and that gives me a thicker line. And tracing all the way around. And if you have a little gap like that, you can just fill it in. That's okay. Very easy to fix little things like that as we do our drawing. Okay. And now, what color are we going to make this bear? What color are we going to make the tutu? So many decisions. Look at our bear in a tutu, everybody. Have you ever seen a bear in a tutu? Well, now you have. What color are you going to make your bear? What color are you going to make your tutu? If you'd like to see my color choices, just watch till the end of this video and I'll share what I created. But I'm so curious what you're going to make. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. DRAW with MRMIKE.